we'll guide you through how to create a Wix AI website builder. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to wix.com. Make sure you're logged into your Wix account or create one if you haven't already. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the option that says Create New Site and click on it. You'll be given a couple of options, but for this tutorial, select the Use Wix ADI option. Wix ADI stands for Wix Artificial Design Intelligence, and it's designed to help you build a website quickly and easily. After selecting Wix ADI, you'll be prompted to answer a few questions about the type of website you want to create. This can include details like the type of business or personal site, any specific features you need, and the style or theme you prefer. The AI uses this information to tailor the design to your needs. Once you've filled out the questions, click Let Us Go to proceed. The AI will begin creating a website draft for you. This may take a few moments as it pulls in the design elements and content suitable for your site. Once the draft is ready, you can preview it. Take a moment to look around and see what the AI has generated. You can then go on to customize the site further by clicking on any element you want to change, such as text, images, or colors. Wix ADI makes it easy to swap out content and adjust the layout to fit your vision. If you're happy with the draft, you can publish your site directly from the editor. Hit Publish at the top right corner, and your brand new AI-generated website will be live on the internet. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.